Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, press the fabric flat and mark the exact snap location with a ruler and all. This keeps alignment when you punch the hole. Next, select the correct snap size and match male to female so they engage cleanly. Mismatch sets fail. Once done, stack the layers as they will be when worn and clamp gently to prevent shifting during installation. Make sure to protect delicate fabrics with a scrap underlay. This prevents distortion while you set the fastener. Now you set the socket and post. Align the socket on the anvil and push the post through the pre-punched hole. You do this so metal flares evenly, gripping fabric without tearing. Hold the setter perpendicular, then deliver 3 to 6 firm taps, pausing to inspect alignment. Uneven strikes cause wobble. If fabric shifts, reclamp and repeat the gentle taps. Once the socket sits flush, test the engagement by mating the halves. They should click with minimal play, ensuring durable function. Finish by placing the cap over the exposed post and set it with the cap punch, delivering 3 firm, controlled strikes so the cap crimps evenly. This secures the assembly. Afterward, cycle the snap 5 to 10 times to confirm smooth catch and release. This reveals early failures. If you detect looseness or misalignment, remove the faulty post and replace it, or reinforce the area with a small washer or fusible interfacing to distribute stress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.